gonna handle you one on one. Okay, so we're not gonna take like in a group. So it will be one on one. And before starting, you have to always be seated. Okay, so because the boat will have a balance, right? You have to maintain that balance, and you should not walk. You should not run. Okay, only for the except you have to go for the restroom or something. Okay, fine. Am I audible to last? Am I audible, right? Okay, once the motor starts, tell me if I'm not audible. Okay, this is very important. Okay, don't keep your hand at the side. Do not climb up. Don't sit here. You might fall. Okay, you might end up falling because the currents are high. Boat will be here and there. Okay, so that's the thing. Yes, you can't hear me, right? Okay, I'll try to. Okay, now have any of you dived before? No one, right? It's to dive. Okay, 3 important. Before that, one main thing is you should never hold your breath. Never ever hold your breath. Okay. What you do while diving? You have to take a deep. Am I audible? You have to take a deep breath in, deep breathe out. No short breaths. Never hold your breath. Okay. That is very important thing. And I'm going to teach you 3 techniques which will help you dive safely and you can enjoy your underwater experience. Okay. You are here to enjoy. Okay. You are here to enjoy. You can just watch. So one more thing I have to tell you. This is 18 to 20 kilometers from here to the Netrani Island. There we're going to dive. The boat ride is going to be 1.5 hours to 2 hours. Okay. So again while coming back it's going to be 1.5 to 2 hours. Am I audible? Okay. If in case if you don't understand anything, you can ask me in your own language. I know 5 languages: Tamil, Telugu, Kannada, English. Okay. Okay. Done. Done. This is the same. This jacket will help you float underwater, like above the water, and sink underwater, move underwater. Okay, this jacket. So this has a hair pocket, and this is called. With the help of this, you are gonna breathe underwater. We're gonna fill air inside this, and we're gonna remove air and everything. And you're gonna wear this in your mouth. This is called regulator. This helps in breathing. Okay, I'll teach you how to wear it. Okay, before that, this is how from this scuba tank air is filled, right? So from here, with the help of this only you're gonna breathe. You're gonna fill the air inside this and release the air. Okay, so let me connect it. When I press this, air is empty. Air is becoming empty. Air in, air out. Okay. So again, this is not important for you. This is for us. So we will be operating this. Okay. You don't have to worry about this. Just relax, enjoy. Okay. No. You can't see from your eyes. Okay. So we're gonna use this mask. With the help of this, you can see. Okay. So I'm gonna wear this and show. When you wear this, you can't breathe from your nose. You can't breathe from your nose. No, only from your mouth. And what you're gonna do, you're gonna wear the regulator in your mouth and breathe. Okay? Don't breathe from your nose when you wear the mask. Put your regulator. How to keep your regulator in the mouth? First, open your mouth wider. Then bite this mouthpiece from your strong teeth. Okay, bite it. Then seal it from your lips. Okay, I'm going to show you, demonstrate you. You have to seal it with your lips. You should do like this. Keep it inside. Okay, seal the regulator. Okay, that is how you're gonna wear it. Okay, clear, right? Any doubt? Okay, now you are having a good experience. You are diving, and something might go wrong. What is that? Before telling that, I am gonna tell you. Can we talk underwater? Can we talk? No, right? So how we gonna talk is sign language. We're gonna sign, and you're gonna understand. How? Because I'll teach you now. This means you're okay. So we will ask you, are you okay? Do not tell this. Do not tell this. This means different. This means up. If you tell this, he's gonna bring you up. This means going down. This means going up. This means, are you okay? Reply back saying, I'm okay. You have to tell this. Are you okay? If you do this, we will not understand. Okay? Okay, now, something is not okay with you. Something is not okay. How do you do not okay? Okay? Not okay. Up, down. If you're not able to breathe, just tell not okay. Point at your problem. Not okay, ear pain. Not okay, legs cramp. Not okay, just point at your problem. Okay, anywhere. Okay? Not okay. Okay. Up, down. Okay, fine. Remember, any doubt here? Alright. Okay. See, the search will be like this. If you walk, you will fall. Okay, so do not walk much. Except you're gonna use the restroom. Okay. Understood till here, right? Okay, now. Very important technique. One more sign languages. This means equalize. Equalize. Why do we do this? Because you need to close your nose. Close your nose and do something. I'll teach you that. This means what you should do. Equalize. How do you do that? Underwater when you go, you feel lot of pressure. Air is compressed inside your body. Here, everywhere the air is there. Lungs you are breathing. So no issues. What about your ears? It will pain. So you need to equalize. How do you do that? First, take a deep breath in from your mouth. Okay, from your regulator. Take a deep breath in. Close your doors. And whatever you have breathed inside, breathe out from your nose. See? When you breathe out from your nose, it will not go because you have closed your nose. It will not go out. It will reverse here. Right? You're gonna feel. Can you all try once? Try it. Maybe, okay, one thing you have to notice is your hair should not be like this when you put the mask. Okay, let's assume my hair is like this. I waited. What happened? My hair is inside the mask. The gap is there. There is gap. Or it might be like this. Something gap. What will happen when you dive? The water might go inside. Like this. Now what will happen? The same water is inside my nose also. Nose. Usually what will happen to you? You will feel drowning sensation. The water will go inside your nose. But I'll say you it is okay. Little bit water, it's okay. You are not breathing from your nose, right? So no issue. Don't breathe from your nose. Little bit water, it's okay. It's okay. But you can also remove it. Look at me. What did I do? I have a nose inside, right? I took a breathe in and blowed the air from my nose, right? Do not breathe like this. What will happen? You will get tired. You will get suffocated. Deep breathe, deep out. Deep breathe in, deep breathe out. Relax your body. Nothing will happen. Okay? And one more thing. Water might go inside your mouth also. Why will it go if you open your mouth? If you do like this, water will go inside your mouth. But if the water goes, very simple. Push it up. सब थूक सकते हैं, वॉमिट कर सकते हैं और अगर पानी मुंह पे है तो बाहर फेंक सकते हैं.